Vanaras are one of the significant characters in Ramayana. As per described in Ramayana, Vanaras are special species of humans that looked like monkeys. Ramayana never mentioned Vanaras as monkeys. These species were dominant in southern part of India and ruled South India, including Thailand, Myanmar, Malaysia, Indonesia, etc. What does Vanaras mean? Vanaras is a Sanskrit word having two parts. Van means forest and Nara means human. So the literal meaning, humans who lived in forests. Vanaras were definitely not monkeys, since monkey is called as Vanakapi or Markata in Sanskrit. Why finding evidences of Neanderthal man is difficult in India? Archaeological.
In the Hindu epic Ramayana, Vali or Bali was a mighty Vanar king who ruled the kingdom of Kishkandha and was known for his strength. He was believed to be the son of Indra and highly regarded for his just and caring nature. However, he had forcefully stole his younger brother's Sugriva's wife. He had asked his vigorous son Angada to assist Lord Rama during the conflict with Ravana. Vali was famous for the boon that made him invulnerable to every enemy he faced. According to this boon, anyone who fought him in a single combat lost half his strength, thereby making him more powerful than every warrior. Vali was confident enough to face any kind of challenge and was also challenged by Ravana for a combat, who later accepted his defeat. Lord Rama killed him by shooting an arrow towards him from behind. It is believed by some people that Lord Vishnu promised Vali to give him a chance to avenge his unjust murder in his next avatar. Find more interesting facts about Hinduism and Indian culture on Artha channel. Share this video and don't forget to like it.
என்னுடைய வம்சமானது அடியோடு அழிந்ததோ அவ்வாறே உன்னுடைய யாதவ குலத்தின் பெரும் அழிவானது உன் கண்ணுக்கெதிரே நடக்கும் வாசுதேவா. வன விலங்குகளுக்கு இணையாக யாதவ குலத்தின் வீரர்கள் ஒருவர் மற்றவரின் உதிரம் பருகுவர். அதில் தப்பி பிழைத்து மிஞ்சியவர்கள் உன் யாதவ குலத்தை சேர்ந்த பாலகர்கள் நிரந்தரமாய் கண்ணீர் வடிப்பர். அன்று அவர்களுக்கு ஆறுதல் கூறி கண்ணீர் துடைக்க ஒருவரும் இருக்க மாட்டார்கள். எவ்வாறு இன்று இந்நகரம் களை இழந்து இருளில் மூழ்கியுள்ளதோ, இதை போலவே ஒரு நாள் உனது நகரமும் சமுத்திரத்தில் மூழ்கி அழிவை பெறும். உனது நகரில் ஜொலிக்கும் தங்க பவனங்கள் ஆழி அலையால் அவிழ்த்தப்பட்டு ஆழ்கடலை அடையுதோடு நீ ஒரு கொடும் வனத்தில் அஸ்திரங்கள் ஏதுமின்றி விலங்கை போல் அலைந்து திரியும் வேளையில் வனத்தில் வாழும் ஒரு வேடனால் வதைக்கப்படுவாய் வாசுதேவா. வாழ்வில் புத்திரர்களை இழந்த ஒரு தாயின் ஹிருதயத்திலிருந்து வெளிப்படும் சாபம் இதுவரை பொய்த்தது கிடையாது.
Neanderthals are often depicted as brutish cavemen, but science shows that our early ancestors were actually quite advanced. Neanderthals, or Homo neanderthalensis, are our closest relatives in the human family tree. The species lived from about 400,000 to 40,000 years ago and inhabited an area that stretched as far west as Europe's Atlantic coast and as far east as Central Asia. Their habitat reached northward to modern-day Belgium, making them the first humans to survive a cold glacial ecosystem. The North's cold environment may have influenced Neanderthals' physique. Their bodies were relatively short, with males averaging 5 feet 5 inches and females 5 feet 1 inch tall. And they were stocky, with broad chests, bulky torsos, and muscular limbs. These adaptations helped Neanderthals generate and retain body heat. Also, their noses were large and had relatively high bridges. This created a nasal chamber that warmed and humidified the cold, dry air they'd breathe in northern regions. Apart from adaptations that helped Neanderthals survive a harsh wintry habitat, the species also developed large brains. They were similar in size to modern humans' brains and were often larger. An increase in brain size may have played a significant role in another type of adaptation: culture. Culture is indicative of an intelligent species, and archaeological evidence suggests that Neanderthals had a relatively sophisticated culture. They built shelters, made and wore clothing, and created advanced tools. In fact, they were the first human species to make tools out of bone, not just stone. They also created objects that served ornamental purposes. Neanderthals are suspected to be the first humans to carry out the symbolic gesture of burying their dead and adorning gravesites with flowers. Neanderthals may have also created what may be the world's oldest cave art, which was found in Spain. Despite advances in their culture, sometime after 40,000 years ago, Neanderthals mysteriously disappeared. Some scientists believe the Neanderthals were killed or outcompeted by modern humans, or Homo sapiens, who arrived in Europe at around the same time as the Neanderthals' extinction. However, another theory suggests that Neanderthals mated with modern humans and were absorbed into the humans' much larger population. That may explain why most people of European or Asian descent have 1 to 2% Neanderthal genes in their DNA. For more than 150 years, Neanderthals have perplexed anthropologists. The first Neanderthal fossil specimen was discovered in Belgium in 1829 by Philippe Charles Schmerling. However, it wasn't officially classified as Neanderthal until decades later. The first fossil to be recognized as Neanderthal and as an early human or genus Homo fossil was found in 1856 by Quareman in Germany. The new species was named Neanderthalensis after the area where the fossils were found, Neander Valley. Neanderthals' fossils tell us how evolution built them to be sturdy to survive their harsh environment. But their tools, art, and DNA tell us that their resilience also involved innovation, creativity, and social behavior, much like Homo sapiens today.